What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? What's up? What's up? How you doing today? Hey, you guys, how you doing? Skinny Boy Randy here. How you doing today? I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. You are absolutely amazing. I'm inside my little grow room, you guys. How you doing today? Hi, Skinny Boy Randy here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. You can be anywhere else in the gardening universe, but you spend and choose a little time with the Skinny Boy Randy, and I greatly appreciate you for it. Thank you so much for being here. How you guys doing today? What's going on? If you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. I hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day today, you guys. Yes. How you doing? If you're new to my channel, click like and subscribe. Click that like. Click the thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the 2 middle fingers, okay? Okay, I love you guys, you're the best. Also, head on over to my Facebook group, Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy. Beginners and experts are welcome over there as well. If I can't answer a question here, head on over there. I guarantee they'll be able to answer your question just like that, okay? Okay, thank you guys so much for being here. I love you, you're the best. Today, I'm just going to make a short video for you on growing strawberries. Yes, you guys, this is a part of our winter growing series, what you can be doing right now for your spring, summer garden. Yeah, you guys, strawberries take forever to grow from seed. So if you want to grow strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, all these type of berries, I'm going to be doing a whole series on growing berries. So I have to do one at a time for the search engine. So when people search for strawberries, they'll be able to find this. When they search for raspberry, they'll be able to find the one I'll make in a couple of days. Okay. So you can grow your strawberries indoors, you guys. Starting them off indoors under your grow lights in a warm environment. So let's just dive right into the video. First, I'm going to be doing a series on growing all your berries. Strawberries take forever. Like I said, up to 90 days just to start getting the little plants that look like that. Yeah. And almost up to 100 and some days to start really getting flowering and all that good stuff. So if you want to grow strawberries coming up in 2021, which is right around the corner, you better start now. Okay. Thank you guys so much for being here. So first thing I'm going to do is get you down here in the workstation. So you won't be seeing me, but you'll hear me. Okay. Thank you guys so much. All right. So what you want to do is, first of all, get your soil together. And I'm going to be using some peat pellets. And all that is cocoa core condensed. Peat moss condensed from Jiffy Peat Pellet Company. Now, I didn't care so much for the peat pellet kit, but I love the peat pellets when you order them separately. And I think this is the largest pellet that they offer. So I'm just going to fill this with warm water. Yeah, you guys, these are things that you can be doing right now inside your home while you prepare for next year's garden. Gardening is never over. No. So while these are soaking, and these are going to turn into larger soil holders. So while these are growing, we're going to do some in a regular container. Let me put a little piece of plastic under here. It's just a regular Dollar Tree container. And Dollar Tree actually sells, if you didn't check out the Dollar Tree back in the day, they sell a strawberry growing kit. And it comes with everything you need to get started. The soil, the seeds, the pot, and the instructions. Just like the Christmas kits I made for the kids. Yes, you guys, Merry Christmas if you celebrate Christmas. So yeah, if you were lucky enough to get these from the Dollar Tree, they only were $1, and they should be back this year, hopefully. Things are going to sell out more this year, I think, in the gardening sections of stores because of everything that's been going on. People want to grow their own food, and I don't blame them. So I'm going to fill this up with some of my black gold. Let me show you. I'm going to leave the description to everything. This is my black gold potting mix. And I'm simply going to fill up this container. Yeah, you guys, when you're growing indoors, it's not like growing outdoors. You know, I tell you outside, just go outside and grab some dirt and dig it up and put it up. But you're talking about growing inside your home. So you don't want to just bring any type of pests and fungi and gnats and everything, because we ain't got no time to be fighting gnats and shooting flies all around here. We ain't got no money. But yeah, you guys, this is the perfect time to start your berries because they take forever to germinate. So go ahead and get them started now with your seedlings and you'll be ready. You'll be ready. Our pea pellets are growing. Let me show you. Yeah, you guys, you know I don't do any editing. I'm going to walk you all the way through it. I am going to do a beginning intro video, you guys. So when my video starts, it'll be a little intro. Let me know what you guys think. It'll just be a little short intro, maybe 5-10 seconds, who knows. Yeah, just to say hello, and welcome everyone to the channel. So these are expanding. Now if you use boiling hot water, they expand really quickly. But we'll just leave them in there, let them do their thing. But in the meantime, so all you need is a container, little potting soil, your hose at the bottom. And we're going to put a little bit more in here. This is our black gold, which can be used for potting mix and seed starting, you guys. So yes, this is a seed starting mix as well. And I want to fill it up all the way to about right there, okay? Now I want to moisten this. My capture and everything. Want to moisten it. Because these are the things you want to get started right now, you guys. Time is tick-tocking, tick-tocking, tick-tocking away. Tick-tocking, tick-tocking, tick-tocking away. Yes, I should have had my towel here. But let me do this. Let me put it over here with our pellets that are growing. Look how big our pellet has gotten. One of them anyway. Yep. So just let those sit in there. And then go ahead and saturate that. Okay? You just want to make sure it's very saturated all the way through. Alright. Now, you just want to get your seeds. Strawberry seeds are very, very tiny, you guys. Now, this seed packet here came with strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, apples, all types of seeds. So, today we're going to do some shore crop strawberry, sparkle strawberry. We're going to do just plain old strawberry. I guess they ran out of names and called this one strawberry. Okay. And then we're going to do the all-star strawberry. All right, you guys. So once you have your soil set, moist, just like so, you want to get, we're going to do the shore crop. Well, this one is already labeled All-Star from the ones I did last year, so let's continue the All-Star in this container. So I'm going to take my All-Star seeds. See those? And you want to plant multiple seeds, you guys. Just sprinkle them all over. Just sprinkle them all over. Just like that. Gonna make our own little strawberry patch. And I'm not gonna bury these. I'm just gonna press them down. Some people say bury them, some people say don't bury them. So we're not gonna bury these, we're just gonna press them into the soil. And I can see them, I'm just gonna press them in. I'm not gonna bury them. I'm just gonna press them in and let them make contact with the soil. You might want to use a dry finger when you go to press them in so they don't stick to your hand. And like I said, strawberries take a very long time, you guys. So you want to start these now. And in 90 days, we'll be heading into spring. And we'll be able to start putting this stuff out, getting ready for summer. So all I'm going to do is take this, put it in a Ziploc bag, just like that. Get as much of the air out as possible. and I'm gonna seal it. Now, I'm not expecting to see any type of germination from this for about 1 to 2 weeks. And I'm going to put it under my Spider Farmer grow light, which is an amazing grow light, you guys. Check out Spider Farmer grow lights. Oh, my peppers are doing well over here, you guys. They started flowering. I came in here yesterday and the peppers had flowers on them. I pollinated them. I self-pollinated them. I saw the pollen falling. Can you see these flowers? Oh, we're talking about strawberries. I'm sorry. So, yeah, what I'm going to do is take these and put them under my Spider Farmer grow light. Start them off